Off to Kohl's I go. This is my third set of Hogue grips for my 1911 that don't fit. Now, I've gotten it in black, I've gotten it in tan twice. This is the second time I've gotten it in tan. And either these holes down here don't line up, like the one on the other side is like here and not here. Like, I don't know how you fuck that up. The one that I got before this one, the tan, see how that notch is there? It didn't have that notch, and the little plastic on the inside, see that little bar right there? Yeah, it was broke. The black one that I got didn't even have the holes drilled. Like, I mean, it's rubber, and it was a solid chunk in there. So now I gotta take this up to Kohl's and drop it off. I mean, I've got Hogue grips on my Taurus, and I've got it on my Mossberg. I got it on, I got one of those rubber sleeves for my other shotgun, but I can't get anything to work for my 1911. I was hoping that this one would work. I gave it a third shot, still doesn't work. But I guess I'm just gonna stick with the regular scales and just get new scales, something different than the wood grain. Hogue grips kind of suck right now, especially for 1911s, the most common firearm ever.